We have received a request to create a tutorial on how the MIT Scratch programming maps to the programming languages like Java, Python, etc. So here is this tutorial series for you teachers, programmers, and of course the Scratchers. It is a rather wide topic, so let us jump right into looking at the fundamental concepts of a programming language and how the Scratch platform enables for its young programmers to effortlessly use these concepts. Most importantly, I will also help you see how the programming language maps to our day-to-day activities, because this will help the children to adopt to the world of programming most easily. We will look at the programming environment, the syntax of the language, data structures, object-oriented programming, functions, synchronization, parallelism, debugging your code, input-output, and extensions of a language.